Did you know that most people are just one step away from financial freedom but never quite get there? What's behind that barrier? In today's video, I'm going to reveal the 5 fundamental pillars that can transform your financial life forever. If you're tired of living on autopilot without understanding how to truly achieve financial freedom, this video is for you. Get ready, because what you're about to learn will change the way you view money and could be the key to a safer, more prosperous future. Stay tuned until the end and discover how to apply these pillars to your life, starting right now. 1. Financial mindset. The financial mindset is the cornerstone upon which true financial freedom is built. While many people focus on earning more or saving, they often overlook the fact that financial success starts with how we think about money. Our mindset determines how we handle money, how we perceive it, and, most importantly, how we make decisions around spending, saving, and investing. A healthy financial mindset is not just about seeking security. It's about seeking growth, freedom, and opportunities. Changing the way you think about money is the first step. A lot of people operate with a scarcity mindset, where they believe money is always scarce, and there's never enough to go around. This way of thinking creates a constant feeling of stress and anxiety, leading to unhealthy financial habits like overspending or avoiding saving altogether. However, adopting an abundance mindset changes everything. When you start to believe that there are plenty of opportunities to create and grow wealth, you begin to see possibilities everywhere. Money isn't something that is out of reach or impossible to obtain. It becomes a tool that can be generated, multiplied, and used to achieve long-term financial freedom. To have a successful financial mindset, you need discipline, patience, and a long-term vision. People with strong financial mindsets understand that immediate gratification is often the enemy of long-term success. Instead of living to spend, they live to invest and build opportunities for themselves. Whether it's cutting unnecessary expenses or taking smart risks in investments, they understand that wealth doesn't come from living paycheck to paycheck, but from the ability to delay immediate desires in favor of long-term goals like financial independence or a comfortable retirement. Furthermore, money should not be seen as an end goal, but rather as a means to achieve freedom and security. The mindset of wealth is rooted in the understanding that accumulating money is about securing your time, gaining more choices, and creating a life you want to live. When your mindset aligns with these principles, you make better financial decisions, focusing on building wealth and ensuring that every action is purposeful and aligned with your goals. 2. Expense control. Controlling your expenses is a critical pillar for achieving financial freedom. It's not just about earning more money. It's about making sure that you don't overspend and waste your resources on things that don't align with your long-term goals. Expense control isn't about living a life of deprivation. It's about making intentional choices that move you closer to financial security. The first step in mastering expense control is understanding exactly where your money is going. Most people believe they are saving, but they often don't have clarity on what they're spending and where money is being wasted. By tracking your income and expenses, you gain a clear picture of your financial habits. There are various tools available for tracking your expenses, such as finance apps or spreadsheets, which help you monitor your financial activity. The objective is to understand your spending patterns and identify areas where you can cut costs without compromising your lifestyle. As you start reviewing your finances, you'll likely find that many of your expenses are non-essential. You might notice that you're regularly buying things you don't need, like expensive coffee or dining out at restaurants you could easily avoid. These seemingly small purchases add up over time and could be better spent elsewhere. The key here is to make more mindful choices. It's about prioritizing your spending and ensuring that your resources are being directed towards things that will benefit you in the long run, such as paying off high-interest debt, building an emergency fund, or investing in your financial education. That said, controlling expenses doesn't mean denying yourself all pleasures or living frugally at the cost of your happiness. It's about finding a balance that works for you. When you control your expenses, you create a financial margin that allows for wealth generation. By cutting out unnecessary costs and redirecting those funds into savings or investments, you put yourself in a position to build wealth over time. This balance is the key to enjoying life now while still securing a prosperous future. 3. Income generation. Generating multiple streams of income is crucial for achieving financial freedom. Relying solely on one source of income is a risky strategy because it leaves you vulnerable to external shocks like losing a job, experiencing a career change, or enduring an economic downturn. Furthermore, if you depend on a single source of income, it may take much longer to achieve financial freedom since your ability to save and invest is restricted. One of the best ways to increase your earning potential is by finding ways to supplement your primary income. If you have a full-time job, you can look for side gigs, freelance work, or consulting opportunities that help you earn more. These additional sources of income don't have to be full-time commitments, but can significantly boost your overall earning capacity. Another excellent strategy is creating passive income streams. These are income sources that require little to no active involvement, allowing you to earn money while you focus on other things. Examples of passive income include renting out property, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or creating an online business that generates revenue automatically, such as a blog or YouTube channel that earns ad revenue. In today's digital world, there are many opportunities to generate income through the internet. If you have specialized knowledge, consider offering online courses, creating and selling ebooks, or even starting a YouTube channel. The rise of the digital economy has opened up many avenues for diversifying income sources and creating wealth beyond the traditional job. Having multiple streams of income not only offers financial flexibility, but it also provides security. If one source of income dries up or underperforms, you still have other options to keep your financial life stable. This diversification makes it much easier to weather financial storms and accelerates your journey toward financial freedom. 4. Smart investments. Investing is one of the most powerful tools for achieving financial freedom, but the key to success lies in making smart, well-informed decisions. Many people jump into investments without a clear strategy or a thorough understanding of the risks involved, which can lead to losses or missed opportunities. The first step toward becoming a successful investor is understanding the investment landscape, recognizing where your money should go, and knowing what kind of returns to expect, as well as the level of risk you're comfortable with. Investing isn't limited to just stocks. There are countless ways to invest your money, including real estate, government bonds, treasury securities, real estate investment funds, REITs, cryptocurrencies, and even starting your own business. Each of these investment options comes with its own set of risks and rewards, so it's essential to diversify your investments rather than put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification allows you to spread out your risk across different asset classes, ensuring that if one investment underperforms, the others might compensate for that loss, providing more stability and balance to your portfolio. One of the most important concepts in investing is compound interest, which is the foundation for building wealth over time. Compound interest works by allowing your investment returns to reinvest and generate their own returns. This exponential growth means that the longer you leave your money invested, the more it grows. Whether it's dividends from stocks or interest on bonds, the returns you receive are reinvested and work to compound your wealth, creating a snowball effect that can result in substantial returns over time. It's also crucial to be patient when investing. Many people make the mistake of getting emotional or reacting impulsively to market fluctuations. The temptation to buy or sell based on short-term market movements can be harmful to your portfolio. Successful investing requires discipline, a long-term perspective, and the ability to ride out market volatility. Instead of reacting to every market dip or spike, focus on your broader financial goals, stick to your investment strategy, and remember that time is one of the most powerful allies in building wealth. 5. Planning and diversification. Effective financial planning is an essential part of achieving financial freedom. It's not enough to simply hope that wealth will happen on its own. Achieving financial independence requires careful planning, clear goals, and a disciplined approach. Financial planning is about understanding where you want to go and creating a roadmap to get there. This includes setting specific, measurable financial goals for both the short and long term. Short-term goals might involve things like paying off high-interest debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a large purchase. Long-term goals might focus on things like funding your retirement or creating a robust investment portfolio that generates passive income over time. Within your financial plan, diversification plays a crucial role. Diversification is the practice of spreading your financial resources across multiple investment types or income sources, reducing the overall risk in your financial strategy. For example, you might invest in a combination of stocks, real estate, bonds, and even alternative assets such as cryptocurrency, depending on your risk tolerance and goals. This reduces the chance of significant loss in any one area, because if one asset class underperforms, others may be able to pick up the slack. Similarly, diversification also applies to income generation. If you rely solely on one income source, such as your job, your financial future is at risk if something unexpected happens, like a job loss or economic downturn. By diversifying your income streams, you create a more resilient financial foundation. A well-diversified financial plan also involves flexibility and a willingness to adapt to changes in the market or your personal circumstances. The market is always evolving, and your financial situation will likely change over time as well. This means regularly reviewing and adjusting your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals. For example, as you approach retirement, you might choose to reduce exposure to high-risk investments and shift towards more stable, income-generating assets like bonds or dividend-paying stocks. Incorporating both a solid planning strategy and diversification into your financial approach is like building a strong, stable house. You lay the groundwork with clear goals, then diversify the pillars that hold it up, ensuring that if one pillar weakens, others are in place to support it. This approach creates a more secure path to wealth building and financial independence, providing you with the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're protected against financial uncertainty while steadily progressing toward your long-term objectives. Now that you know the 5 fundamental pillars of financial freedom, it's time to take action. Remember, the journey to financial independence doesn't happen overnight, but with discipline, patience, and the right strategies, you can achieve the future you've always dreamed of. Start today by applying these pillars in your life. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Transformation begins with one single step. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this information. Let's move forward together toward financial freedom. See you in the next video.